Welcome to episode 1 of Box Turtle Bites. I'm Jason. He's TJ. TJ, what are we doing today?
We're gonna build a website with like AI, right? Like
Yeah,
we're gonna
I mean,
just
sure.
like let it do it for us
Yeah,
because
let's do
that's
it.
how the world works now.
That's exactly everything works that way these days. I mean, we can try it, right? Like, why not?
We might want to start with one that like works first, then
Yeah,
we can
that's
let
probably a good
AI.
idea. Yeah, I mean, given how things are going so far tonight, we already had a computer crash before we got started, so probably should let the computer gods have a little break. All right, so my thought is we just use Jekyll. I think you and I both use it for our blogs, right? But we're doing those in GitHub Actions, or not GitHub Actions, GitHub Pages, right?
Yep.
But I was thinking if we do this, let's do it to where we push it to an S3 bucket with CloudFormation CDK, so we can use some GitHub Actions and get it working that way.
Yeah, that sounds good. Jackal's a definitely a good one. There's also ones for if you've seen the blog I put up. There's quite a few of those like Jackal template offshoots that are out there. So definitely a good place to start.
Yeah, I figured we could always throw a template on it after we get it up and running. So I'm gonna. Do you still have the live share? Or did you lose that?
I have the Chrome one, but no, I don't have the VS Code live share anymore. In fact, I don't even have VS Code on this. I'm downloading it as we speak.
That's awesome. Well, this is what happens when you do things live, right?
Switch into a PC.
So since you're not on your Mac, where should I send you a link?
Probably just my email.
Email. Why do I have you in here so many times?
Don't leak my email address that's been leaked 6 million times.
I was going to send it to your ByteCheck email address.
I won't get that one.
All right, I just sent it to you.
Cool. Well, while we're waiting for that, I guess the first question we need to ask is the account CDK Bootstrap?
That is, I actually was going to do that before we got on here, but I'm like, you know what? Let's do that live. So let me just open up a command window in here. So I pulled up the documents for this because I was going to do it. I'm like, wait, why would I do this already? I did go through and configure my CDK and all that stuff to point to the correct account, so I don't have to do that live.
You could just leak the token and make Joe all disappointed.
Oh yeah, I'm sure he'd love that. All right, so I'm assuming we're gonna do this in US West 2 because US East 1 sucks.
Well, if we want downtime.
Yeah, I mean, actually, we probably need to do both now that I think about it, because there'll be some things we have to do in US East 1. So let's do both. I think if I just do this. Oops. Let's see if this works. I think I can do both of them at the same time. US East 1, US West 2. Here we go. Everybody knows our AWS account ID. Oh my gosh, can you believe it?
The live share says it's still waiting for you to approve.
It's waiting for me to approve?
I guess.
Where the frick am I supposed to approve that?
Probably in that chat. Maybe.
There's nothing in the chat.
Weird. I'll try rejoining.
Gotta love technology. Oh wait, maybe it's, aha, here we go. Accept, read, write. There. Clearly I haven't used live share in a while. Well, hey, that's almost, man, that was fast. All right, well, we're bootstrapped. Phase 1 complete. So you know what we probably should do, like just to get started. Well, we probably should like create a repo or something. That'd probably be a good idea. Oh, there we go. Now you're in.
Now we got it.
All right. All right. Let's create a repo. Don't have a repo to clone. I'm just gonna go over to GitHub and like create one real quick because I don't think I even did that. I think I created an org for this, so I did. Look at that.
In GitHub?
Yeah. Not sure if I invited you to it, but you know.
I think you did.
Okay, awesome. I was going to call it website because, you know, it's our website. I probably could share this, but I'm just going to get this done real quick and then I'll go clone this guy.
I have like a million GitHubs. Very difficult to on the code fly and get an environment set up while you're streaming.
I think I just cloned this to the root. That was brilliant, Jason. Yep, I did. Well, we're going to not go there. CD. Where the heck
I see it.
are my repos? Documents. There we go. Do it there. That's a better place. Not that. That was not what I wanted to open. Sure. All right. Are you able to see where I'm at now in VS Code?
No,
You don't
but
see,
it's
like,
not
readme?
because of you.
Do I need to share it again? Oh, I do. That's freaking stupid. Apparently, I have to like reshare it when I open up a new folder. So, the joys of technology.
Oh, did you have to send me a new link?
Yep. Just send it to you.
Nice.
Yep.
That time it let me in right away.
Yeah. Whatever. All right. So, what do we need to do first? So we need to create the CDK stuff. We could do the CDK init to do it. I was thinking I have DNS set up for this thing for email, but we can switch it over to this, and I can just move the all the records from GoDaddy over. So
Yeah, just repoint it.
Yep. Do we want to use the CDK init to create this thing?
Probably.
I've never actually done that because, like, well, I'm sure I have. That's not true. It's been so long since I've done it. I don't like even remember what that looks like.
I don't think I've ever done CDK in net.
App for an application, live for construct library, application with some constructs. We'll just do app.
Yeah. I'm already afraid.
Apparently, I have to specify a language too. Definitely TypeScript. We're not doing.
You don't want Python?
Definitely not Python, nor do I want JavaScript.
I was thinking Java. We could make it all in beans.
Apparently, I need help on this because I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, -L.
Dash
and then
L language, sure, of course. What?
oh, because you have a README?
Really? Come on, guys.
That's kind of funny.
Delete. I think so. The structure. I've never been a fan of the structure. Like this is the app, and then this is your stack, page, whatever. But like,
Oh, interesting.
yeah, I don't really understand it.
Wait, where's the app?
Up in bin,
Oh, I didn't even get a bin
really?
in the live share. I can see the.
That's
Maybe I got to
bizarre.
refresh. No,
Wow.
I get the lib and test, but it does not share the bin folder.
Do you get like the root stuff, like the npm
Yeah.
ignore and stuff?
I can see all that.
That's bizarre. I wonder if it's because of the name of it.
Maybe.
Let me rename it real quick.
I even tried refreshing.
Let's just call this app.
That's funny. I can see, I could see it in the change, but I could not. As soon as you change it to app, it must hide bin folders.
Yeah, that's weird.
Maybe they're trying to like protect you.
Maybe. Well, so now I got to change it here because it's not going to work if I don't. All right. So like I said, I think the first thing to do is just do a new Route 53. Oh, you know what? We probably should npm install CDK.
Yep.
It's not going to. Well, you know what? It should already be there. What am I talking about? It's already there. I'm an idiot.
Oh yeah, it comes with it.
Yeah.
And it does a couple of just tests.
Yeah. These. So
Which node does it put it on?
I've always found tests for this to be kind of weird, right? Because like, well, they create a test and it doesn't actually do anything. So gee, thanks for that. But like, what am I testing? Like the code is the code.
Yeah, I guess that the constructs still work.
I mean, it's their construct. Like, I don't know, whatever. Route 53. Come on. Here we go. No, I don't want a Route 53 target. What the heck is it? Oh, it's a record set. No, I need what's the top level thing? Wow. My brain is
For what?
hosted zone.
Oh yeah.
I think that's all I need, right?
I think so.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
npx cdk deploy. See what it does. Ooh, I didn't like that. That's probably because I changed stuff.
Oh yeah, it's still pointing at bin somehow.
I thought I changed it there. I guess not. Try again. Here we go. So do you want to start working on like figuring out how to get the Jekyll thing to compile?
Yeah. You want just the standard one?
Yeah, I think we start with the standard one. And we can add a template to it later. I'm gonna share your
Jekyll.
screen. I did find. By the way, people, like if you're watching this, we did like no planning for this, like because basically what I want us to do is like go with what we would do if we were doing this for real, right? So like you can't plan for when you're just doing it. So that's how we're doing it. This is how we actually work.
Looks like we're gonna need Ruby.
Oh, fun.
And there's no way I'm gonna get that in time on my Windows PC. So I will mimic the commands to you to get it running into this live share.
Can we do it in a container?
Maybe. We could see. Yeah, they've got an official image. probably want the builder image.
Yeah, probably.
So you could set it up as a Docker container file.
Look at that. We have a hosted zone.
There we go.
While you're doing that, I'm going to add record sets to this thing for the existing ones that I have. Oops. Get back to this.
I don't even know if I have Docker on this thing.
So like your computer like hard crash?
Yeah, the Mac did. And then when I tried to reload it, it threw up.
Fun.
You know what? I have all virtualization turned off on this thing.
Because you're a gamer.
This is the gaming PC that I'm on right now. Oh. Yeah, we need Ruby at least 2.5.0.
I love Ruby. It's so great.
Yeah, Jekyll's all Ruby though.
Yeah. Apparently I'm doing something wrong. Nope, guess not.
Do you want to do it on yours or mine? Probably yours. Here, you should just be able to do, so if you switch back to my screen real quick, I can show you. They actually tell you don't use the system Ruby. And they recommend CH Ruby. And basically you can just brew install CH Ruby and Ruby install. So that's what I would probably suggest we do on this.
Brew install CH Ruby, you said?
Yeah, so brew install and then CH Ruby and then Ruby dash install.
So
And
two
then-
commands.
What?
Those two separate commands. Oh.
No, it's just
Okay,
one. You could
gotcha.
do them both at the same. Actually, we have a chat here. I can just throw it in the chat.
Yeah.
And then you'll just run.
I have 24 outdated formulas.
Ruby install 335.
Can you send me that link
Yep.
to the page? Where the
You
heck
don't
is
like
the
just
chat?
copying individual commands one at a time?
Not really. Oh, there's the chat. I'm not seeing anything in the chat.
It's in the session chat of the VS Code.
Oh, VS Code. That makes sense. What the frick is that?
Or I can put it in this one.
Huh? Where do I find that?
I just put it right on the screen in case anyone wanted
No,
to.
everyone can see it. I mean, it's not a terrible idea. There it is. Live share chat. Look at that. Heaven forbid this be a link that I can just click on. All right, so that's installing. I'm starting on these record sets.
Let's go switch back to you. I already did.
Okay. So, what all do I need? Hold on. I have this open somewhere. There it is. I need a text record. Clearly, we need to add prettier on this thing because I'm already annoyed with some of the stuff that it's doing. It's like doesn't automatically add my semicolons at the end. I'm like really lazy and I don't like to type semicolons, so I like it when it does it for me. Also, like, why is, oh, you know what? I don't think I have, because I don't use this computer very much. I don't think I have Copilot turned on in this thing.
Oh yeah, I don't even think I have mine on. I don't think I can use it during live share actually.
I hope I'm doing this right. I'm not going to worry about these other ones yet because they don't really matter too much. As long as the mail will go through, I can fix the rest of that later.
Yep.
So what I also need to do is switch over my GoDaddy to the NS records in here. That I did prepare for. Kind of. How many like hundreds of people you think are going to watch this?
Probably not many.
I can't remember who asked me. I was like, oh, I think it was Kimmy. I think I was like, Kimmy, I'm expecting like low single digits here, so not really looking for a large audience, especially early on. If she's watching, Kimmy, I apologize in advance, but this website's going to look terrible, and I don't care. So just FYI, you're going to be mad about that. It is what it is. All right, name servers are updated. Now I should hopefully see. Yeah. We are moving over. All right, let's see where we're at with the. Oh, hey, we're installed. All right. Next steps. I installed, Brew installed. Now I need to do Ruby install. This will take a few minutes.
I was trying to like find us on YouTube, but I can't even do that. Oh, there we go.
All right, so like once I get this in place, then what do we need to do next?
So once we're in place, we could probably just do the very basic stuff. So it would just be once you have it on your path and everything, you can do Jekyll new site and then -- blank. It creates a new blank Jekyll site that's scaffold.
So,
Or you can do new and then path.
template. Oh yeah, I'll do a path so we have like where should we put this in here? Like a folder, subfolder in here.
Yeah, probably. I think so.
What do we call it? Site. 'Cause-
I've never done one from scratch like this. Like
Yeah,
I
neither have
normally just swipe a template.
right.
Not swipe, it's open
Yeah.
source, but you know what I mean.
It's one of those things where like I'm sure I've done this, but it's been so long that like I don't know. I
Yeah.
just copied it from what somebody else did. I don't remember. I'm really good at copying other people's stuff, even my own stuff. I'm actually really good at copying my own stuff because I know where to find my own stuff. But I don't remember like how I got to where I was all the time.
Yeah. Well, I know exactly what you mean.
Make sure these records look right. They do. Sweet. All right, so I'm still installing Ruby.
The one person that has chatted is us.
Huh?
The one person that chatted was us. And actually, fun fact, the StreamYard actually, when I did this, the chat,
Yep.
that is what sent it to the chat in YouTube.
Nice.
So like when you chat here and you do the plus,
Yeah,
it
it
will
shows up
it'll
there
push it
automatically.
to it.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Oh. I think I started watching my live stream on my computer, which was not ideal. All right. We have 6 subscribers. Who the heck is subscribed? That's funny.
I could see that you are the one watching.
I'm sure, like, I'm pretty sure I saw AJ subscribe to it, but
Oh, yeah. Probably. All right.
this is like super fast. When they said it'll take a few minutes, they weren't kidding.
Oh, is it still running?
It's still, yeah, I'm still doing Ruby install.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, I can always go back to the drawing board and find a Jekyll template.
Yeah. I mean, you can find a template while we're doing this so we can use one when we get to that.
Yeah.
I'm going to have you share your screen so we can see what you're seeing. Beautiful Jekyll.
Beautiful Jekyll. Build a beautiful and simple website in minutes. But this one wants
Kimmy would disagree.
money.
Oh, man.
Interesting.
Free starter. No, it's fine. Like, we are at low budget here, folks. Like, you should see the chat I did with Chat GPT to get our really lame icon. It was quite humorous.
Oh, bootstrap theme. That Kimmy would like that.
Heck yeah.
Oh, we can see a live demo.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, that's the demo. that leaves so much to the imagination.
Jeff might be excited about that one. It's
Example to be determined. Oh, I bet you we can find a better one.
do they have one that looks like Craigslist? Because Jeff would be all over that.
Oh, maybe.
I don't really want one that looks like Craigslist, by the way.
I don't know. I mean, what is minimal?
It's done. Now I got to do all these echo stuff to get it in my profile.
Here's the minimal version.
I mean, I don't hate minimal versions.
It's like one of those straight up flat
Yep.
feeds.
Everything's all flat.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Ruby's installed. Wait a second. What is it? Well, that was cool. I ran Ruby minus V, and it's like, should show Ruby 335. It says Ruby 2610, so something's not right.
I like Minima. pretty straight up minimal, but everything you need.
I mean, simple's good.
Oh, it's got dark mode.
Oh, we're sold.
It's even got solarized dark mode.
Apparently my echo commands didn't work. Oh, wait.
Oh, really? Did you put it in the? Did you do it in the ZSH or did you do it in the bash?
No, it's there.
Oh, you probably got to restart the terminal.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I need to do that. How do you do it without restarting? I can never remember.
Oh, I don't know. I'd have to look it up.
Yeah, never mind. Quit.
Well, now I'm curious. You like reload? Are you? Is it ZSH?
Yeah. There we go. All right, now I'm going to gem install Jekyll. We're getting there, folks. We're almost to the point where we can actually like do something besides create Route 53 records. We are.
Oh, you can just do source and then point right back at the file. This guy totally misses the point of the question. That doesn't reload aliases. Exec SSH. No, he asked how to not reload. Did not replace the current shell.
All right. I have gem install done.
I lost my that template I was looking at.
So what do I need to do now?
Well, are we going to scaffold it ourselves? If so, it's just Jackal new and then path. So wherever you're going to put it. So site.
No.
Didn't find Jekyll.
Oh, I probably have to reload this one too.
Oh yeah, you do.
No, why do you save stuff for me? Go away. Jekyll new site. Apparently I'm spelling it wrong. No, I'm spelling it right. Let me do it in this other command window that should, let me try for something first. Jekyll. Help. There, you have full access. Don't screw up my computer. So that doesn't work. Do I have to do like some Ruby command with it?
Well, let's go back to the installation. So, you did Ruby install Ruby 335,
Yep. And then I
which
did
probably
gem
took
install
forever.
Jekyll.
And then gem install Jekyll.
Yep. Yes,
Huh.
that's where I was. That's the last thing I did. But if I type in Jekyll from there, it just says not found, command not found, which makes sense because I didn't add to my profile.
Oh, you might have to do it. Actually, probably just need to do it here.
Are you doing something in VS Code?
Yeah, in yours. Oh, interesting. What was that error? Failed to build the gem native extension. Interesting.
figure while we're trying to troubleshoot this, I'll go ahead and create an S3 bucket. Where's the block public access?
9/3/2024.
I don't think I need to do this. I think this is the default. Let's do this. I didn't run into that error when I don't think. Hold on, let me double check. Maybe I did. Error installing Jekyll. Package for OpenSSL not found.
Yeah, but I don't know that that's the only problem. It says like, let's talk about the Ruby dev kit, which is kind of weird. But you're on a Mac. It's almost like that C Ruby didn't.
Huh?
It's like that. Even though it says you have Ruby, it's like it didn't do it right.
I mean, it's Ruby 3.3.5. Says there's a new version of Ruby Gems. Do a gem update.
That's weird.
That does.
I mean, it says your Ruby is the.
Let me try installing Jekyll again. Nope. This, folks, is live troubleshooting. Which, like, if you're thinking about getting into software, this is the primary thing that you need to understand how to do.
That's so funny. Like, they're.
I mean, like, this is exactly what I did. It's good up until gem install, and then it fails.
Yeah, I know.
Binder O.
What?
Start some of my own searching here while you're searching.
Your CLT is 16. No.
Do I need to do sudo? Shouldn't.
It tells you not to. Let's try this. Let's just try and get. It's not reinstalling anything, but what I'm doing is just making sure it didn't like miss anything on the Ruby install with the version that they suggested. We should probably switch back to that screen so that people can see all the mess that Ruby's creating. Such a heavy language.
It's kind of nice that VS Code allows you to work on my terminal directly.
Yeah.
As long as I trust you not to,
I already
Inform
put
that
in all the
computer.
back doors. Oh, interesting. Why does that say disabled gems? That's weird. Let's see if this works. Oh, this reminds me of Rust. Got to compile all the C code underneath of it.
Yep. Well, if we can't get this to work, then we'll just put like a blank HTML file out there just to at least get something out there. Maybe I'll just create one of those real quick while we're...
What were you gonna do?
I'm just creating a blank HTML file.
Oh
we
yeah,
can
yeah.
At least,
At least you can.
Yeah.
We can prove that we've made a site.
Right. Now I'm breaking out my old school HTML. I'm like, man, do I even remember any of this stuff?
Yeah, this is where Copilot would have helped.
That's true. You know what? Maybe I should install that real quick.
Yeah, do you have the preview one? You go to the edit one and just say, point it at it and say, create me a temporary index HTML.
I didn't even have it installed.
So over there and see a little bit to the left, go over one more.
This?
Yep. It's called Copilot Edits. And now you can tell it, I would like a generic index file that's like temporary or something or whatever. And the theory is that it will write just like a developer. Holy cow, this Ruby thing is like no joke. Wow, that was quick.
There you go.
And then you get to accept it or not.
Definitely not 2023. Good job.
Look, it trained in 2023, all right? Cut the AI a break.
All right.
It's funny. I don't know that I can see it.
You can't see the index.html?
Oh, I can see your Copilot.
Oh.
Yeah, you picked GPT-4o.
I just went with what the default was.
So it was trained in 2023, unfortunately.
It's kind of sad. Now I need to do... Oh, we need a CloudFront distribution. That's fun.
Oh, that's going to be a big one.
Well, hey, Copilot's already making my life better. Default behavior. No. Oh, how does this work now? S3 origin. S3 bucket origin.
Oh, I don't want. Interesting.
I'm going to have to look this up because it's been too long since I've had to do this from scratch.
Can you do? Can you kill your terminal and then restart it?
Restart it? Yeah.
Should be able to just do a new terminal.
You have to ask for it.
I'm gonna have to ask again. That's really interesting. The Ruby version, despite it being installed as 3.36, is still pointing at 3.35. So I wonder if there's like
Let's try to see what it does on my.
we're gonna have to configure your shell again.
Hold on.
Actually, I think I can just run these and do it.
We just need to configure my ZH. Just changed C.
I just did it.
336. Did you do it? Okay.
With a bunch of echoes. And then you'll have to, unfortunately, close the terminal. Let me request access again.
Make sure that it's in there still. I probably need to get rid of the old ones, though, don't I?
Yeah, probably.
It's in there twice right now.
Yeah, I would get rid of the old ones.
All right.
There we go.
I have it.
Wait, how do you spell it?
Have I been typing it wrong? Okay. I thought maybe I was typing wrong.
Boom.
Here we go. Or
Boom. I get blown up again.
same problem too.
Interesting.
Oh, people are using the old one.
It's because they deprecated OpenSSL.
I mean, who needs that? Why is that?
Why does the Jekyll site not call this stuff out?
Why is Jekyll what?
I can't believe that they don't like call it out.
Yeah, update it.
Like I don't know what the like none of these things are right. Because it's like it's because there's a they deprecated it in the newer ones and I can only find I can only find RVM, but we're using what they suggested. What was that called? CH Ruby?
Yep.
OpenSSL. Oh, yeah, okay. That's so lame. Oh, it says it's already installed.
Oh.
So all I need to do is do this, but I need to change it to whatever our version is. Oh, what the hell? We're on 366, right?
336.
36.6?
That was 3.3.6.
3.3.6. So apparently, long and short of it is it got deprecated and then it doesn't like auto link it into the Ruby.
Brilliant.
Yeah, so now it says it's, yeah, see, it sees OpenSSL 3.40 is already installed and up to date. Which kind of sucks because like this Ruby install takes forever.
I'm trying to remember how to freaking set up this CloudFront.
What?
distribution.
I can barely hear you.
Sorry, I'm looking at another screen trying to figure out how to set up this CloudFront distribution because it's been too long since I've had to do it from scratch.
Oh, I can
Default
do.
behavior.
Just do, here, I'll have Copilot do it. Set up my cloud front distrib.
It's gonna have old stuff because I changed the way it works.
Well, I know, but we can correct it. It's we don't have to accept it wholesale. It says it's doing it. I don't know if this actually works. Oh, there it goes. You want me to accept it and then we can change it from there?
Yeah. So here's the thing that I'm struggling with is the origin because that's deprecated. This is supposed to use S3 bucket origin,
Yep.
but it works differently, and I'm not sure how it works. There it is. That's what it was. Got to use one of their helper methods.
Yeah. A record. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. We don't need that. It was a good, valiant attempt, Claude, but not quite there.
I'm not going to worry about error responses right now. Domain name. Where the heck did I get that? Why didn't you use it up there then?
What did it do? Oh, did it create a domain name
Yeah, like
const?
that's fine, but like, let's use it here then.
It just doesn't like to write that string more than once.
but it only wrote it once, anyways.
I think my guess is that that's like the Jeff stuff that it trained on. Like on.
Now let's see what I need to do. What is it called? There's a way to deploy bucket deployment. That's what it is.
Yeah, the S3 bucket deployment or whatever.
Bucket deployment. Sources. Shoot.
One of the weeks, we'll have to show how to do the GitHub pages like Jekyll deploy, because like people can compare it, like how
easy one is.
How ridiculous it was to like set up my entire blog for free. Like nothing, it doesn't cost me anything. Like
which is like it's super awesome. It's super great for blogs because like make your change, push it, and it's just there.
Yeah, and it just shows up. And you can even hook it to like your own domains too, which is super nice. We're almost there on the Ruby.
Oh, good grief. Source asset. Still failed. Same.
Yep. This time on something else.
Oh, is it?
Or no, it says it doesn't. It still couldn't. Huh.
It's nuts.
Yeah, I don't know.
Try to deploy this real quick. Oh. Actually, we do need a record, but it's going to call it a record set, but it's not actually a record set.
It just did not want to.
How does that work?
Yeah, we're on the right 336. Nope. Can't spell.
Yeah, like everything looks right.
Yeah, like it's under. It's not under user bin. Well, we can try that. So weird.
way in our index page, so we'll see if we can get this part to work. Oh no, failed.
I'm assuming you have Xcode in there.
Yeah, I almost certainly have Xcode. I should have known better than to trust that this cert was going to work. Duh. No, I need to remember how to do that.
I don't want a sudo.
Thought there was a way to do this in US East 1. Guess not. All right, so this is exactly why I set this up to go to US East 1 as well. Well, that was a mistake.
Wow. I've tried about everything.
Well, I created another stack for US East 1. I moved the hosted zone over that. I'll break stuff because I'm creating stuff more than one time. Because the certificate has to be in US East 1. I forgot about that. We can't figure it out. We can't figure it out. We'll get to it next time. I'm just hoping I can get this website deployed. We can.
Yeah, I just can't figure out what is
There's probably something jacked up on my machine.
it just doesn't want to. I mean, we can try the sudo and just see if it's a permission issue. Gem install. It'll probably make you put that in, but
Yeah.
this will at least tell us if it's a folder issue.
Yeah.
Nope. So there's something jacked up with the way that it like associates OpenSSL, which is really weird because it's there. Like I know it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, there it is. Oh, you can't see me scrolling, but
Yeah.
I did
I'm
a.
trying to update my host records again.
What if I do?
Well, while we are trying to see if we can get this thing to work, I'm gonna wrap up this live stream so we don't have everybody watching this fumble around forever. Just as an FYI, we're gonna try to do this every couple weeks. We'll take a break over Christmas, but we are gonna be in reInvent next week, and so what we're hoping to do when we get back is see what kind of new things they have to play with. They've already had some stuff announced during the pre-invent time, as we like to call it. So we'll find some stuff to play with from reInvent that's new and see how some of that stuff goes and see what we can break then. So far, we are proving that we are definitely capable of breaking things. So join us.
Yeah, I'm about to throw Jekyll out the window and put a React app up there.
I definitely know how to do that. Not
Might be.
exactly the best performing thing in the world when you're just, trying to have a
Yeah,
simple website. But
that's true. Maybe we should try something else. Something not Ruby related. But until next time.
yeah. So thanks for watching. If, you actually were watching, you probably weren't. But, if you were. And next time we're going to try to actually make something work. Hopefully we'll have this up and running, even if it's just a blank screen that just says hello world. We'll have something here soon. So, and until next time, later.